we have a very quick and simple fairy treat box. So it's just these pieces here. I'm going to have a piece of hair stuck there. Let's add a little bit of glue to the belt. It's kind of a braided belt here. And that lines up perfectly with that. Okay, I'm going to use a little bit of blue and outline my fairy wings. Just a little. So this is the base piece, folded all on its score lines, and then we're just going to start gluing these tabs together. You could do this in any color you wanted. Whatever color fairy you wanted to have would be super cute. The best part about it is that it's quick and simple. So if you wanted to do these for a birthday party, you could whip out several of these pretty quickly. Okay. Now I'll just apply glue to both sides at the same time and close this up. I am still working with a broken arm, so I am struggling just a little. Okay. Since I messed up my inking on this one, I'm going to use this one on the back. And this little skirt piece that you use on the back, you don't need a belt for because this piece is going to be covered by the wings. You can see that it just fits there side to side. Now let's put the front piece on. Apply some pressure, make sure it's going to stick. And then I kind of folded my wings right there. There's kind of a natural place it wants to fold and have a center spot. And then just apply that to the center of your box. Oops, keep sliding. Let it dry. And then there it is. There's your fairy box. You can add rhinestones around the front, the sides. You can just glue your wings down flat if you wanted. But it's quick and simple. It's cute. Thank you for joining me.